County until 6:30 p.m. At 5:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Union City, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenville, Versailles, Bradford, Union City, Ansonia, Webster, Wayne Lakes, Russia, Gettysburg, Osgood, North Star, Rossburg, Palestine, Yorkshire, Eldora Speedway, Union Corners, Sharps Crossing, State Route 47 and U.S. Route 127, Rose Hill and Cosmos. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.